Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick the patent office and date range you care about, and decide whether to include expired or active patents. Next, translate your idea into 3-5 concise search terms, include inventor names or CPC/IPC codes where possible. Once done, open Google Patents and use the search box or advanced search pane to paste your query. Make sure to apply the filters immediately, so results stay relevant and manageable as you proceed. Now you refine. Employ quotes for exact phrases and slash or to combine concepts, and the wildcard asterisk to capture variations. As you scroll, apply secondary filters, assignee, inventor, citation count, and CPC/IPC classifications to prioritize strong matches. Open about 5-10 relevant documents and focus first on the abstract and independent claims to understand scope. Then check figures and embodiments for details. Keep notes of key claim language. To finish, export PDFs or citations for the patents you'll act on and summarize their claim scope versus your concept. Create a short map of claim overlap and flag closest prior art for counsel or internal review. If you hit dead ends, try troubleshooting. Broaden keywords, search by classification codes, or look for inventor names and assignees. Make sure to rerun searches with synonyms and alternative spellings. This simple pivot often reveals patents missed by the first pass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.